Well, we finally arrived at the Grand Memories Resort, and the entertainment crew was there with Christmas Day greetings to get everyone pumped up for their vacation. Being in the sanctuary, we boarded carts to be taken to our own private check-in. And arriving at the VIP check-in, we thanked our driver and tipped, as tips are appreciated. We proceeded to the lobby where we met an old friend from our last visit. From there, we met our butler. Once you meet your butler, they will take you to your room and provide you with any further information. From then on, your butler will take care of any of your daily needs. They will also book your carts for you. Butler service is only available in the sanctuary. It is always nice to tip your butler, as it is appreciated and they do many things for you.
Well, here we are, guys. We are in Cuba. It's Christmas Day, and we are at the sanctuary at the Grand Memories in Cayo, Santa Maria. And I'm going to give you a little tour of the room. As you walk in, you can see we have a nice full-size mirror with a little area to drop your stuff. As we walk in, it's pretty much a basic room. You know, you got your nice big closet with lots of hangers. You got your in-room safe. You got a few drawers. As you walk over here, you got a few more drawers for whatever you need to unpack and keep in there while you're staying. Over here we have our in-room fridge, which was stocked on arrival with water and a pot. Room also comes with a nice fair-sized TV, and you get a bottle of rum for being with the sanctuary. Just one of the perks that they give you when you stay here on the sanctuary side of the Cayo Santa Maria Grand Memories. And over here you have a nice little table area for, you know, sitting down, just doing whatever you want to do. And over here, if you want to get a little bit more comfier and relax, well, you got a nice little love seat with 2 footstools. And then come on over to the bed, and we got a nice king-size bed with 2 end tables. Our beach towels come with the room. We don't have to go get them. Again, we're with the sanctuary, so it's all part of the perks of staying here at the Grand Memories Cayo Santa Maria at the sanctuary. Now we're gonna walk over here. You got your bathroom area. You got a nice large sink over here and lots of counter space for all your stuff you'll bring. And then we have your basic Cuba washroom. It's got your toilet and it's got a nice shower and bathtub, and well, that's about all for the room today.